Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and we will be learning phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter Q. Sound of the letter Q is Q. Q sound. Queen. 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 Sound of the letter Q is Qu. Quill. 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 Quilt. 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 Qu sound. Quiet. 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 Qu sound. Quarrel. 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 Quack. Duck says quack quack, quack quack. 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 Quit. Quit. Quiz. Quiz. Quick. Quick. Quad. Quad. Quite. Quail. Question. Question. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.